everyone, this is Evan Alexander with Philia United, and we are back with our new project, which is focused on looking at the effects of COVID on the economy, on our families, and the health system in the United States.
That's right, and the COVID-19 pandemic has impacted many households and families while giving a new perspective on the overall health of citizens in our country. There have been a lot of unanswered questions regarding the COVID numbers in our communities and how the vaccines will be administered and how we can help. Each state has had and continues to have different responses to the pandemic, and so not everyone's on the same page when thinking about recovery. So, our goal is to better inform you and others of how you can help your community, whether that is through donations, volunteering, or any educational resources to find out what's going on in your area, and most importantly, how to take care of yourselves during this difficult time.
According to the data collected through April 3rd, 2021, there have been over 131 million cases and almost 30 million deaths globally due to COVID-19. Additionally, over 30 million of those cases have been within the United States. Not only have people's healths been affected, but also there's been a significant economic impact as well. Many businesses, especially small local ones, have been greatly hurt. Over 100,000 businesses have been shut down and over 114 million people have lost their jobs due to the effects of this pandemic in 2020 within the United States. We can also see the economic downturn by looking at the US GDP. In 2019, the GDP was 65.254 trillion, but in 2020, the GDP was 63.736 trillion. As we can see, COVID-19 has had an immense impact on our world, and therefore we should all come together to support one another and help fight this virus.
And because of this, we have collected multiple resources in order to assist our community at this time. Starting off, we have links to the CDC website where you can find all the information you need on symptoms, how to prevent the spread of COVID, as well as any specific vaccination details and answers to any questions you might still have. We also have links to help you find out how to help in your local area, which includes ways to support small businesses and overcrowded hospitals, as well as places to donate to help get the vaccines rolled out and to make our community safe. We strongly encourage you to get your vaccine in order to mitigate community spread as much as possible for those that are high risk. For more information, please go check out our educational resource page on our website. And the link for that is also included in the description box below this video.
Another important aspect during this pandemic is keeping up with your mental and physical health. There are many ways to implement self-care in your daily routine to keep yourself focused on and stress-free as possible. Most important is to keep up with sleep to keep yourselves energized, rested, and recovered. You also want to incorporate some form of physical activity in daily routine, whether that's going for a walk outside in the sunshine or doing some yoga. It's also important to eat healthy meals and stay hydrated in order to maintain a rejuvenated body and mind. Additionally, we recommend taking time away from your screens. It can be very tempting to want to be on your phone or looking at the TV all day while in quarantine. So try to change up your entertainment, whether that is reading a book, trying a new hobby, or just simply going outside. Finally, don't forget to keep up with your relationships and ensure you're providing yourself with a social outlet as well. Whether that is joining a Zoom call with your family or simply calling up a friend you haven't talked to a while and see how they're doing. This way, you are not only helping your own mental health, but checking in with your community as well.
This year has been tough for all of us, and there have been many changes and new struggles. With the pandemic and mandated quarantine, there have been many programs that have been shut down, and many families have had to deal with immense loss. Because of this, we have partnered with the University of San Diego's Miracle Network Dance Marathon in support of the Rady Children's Hospital. All funds will go to helping pay for treatments, medicines, surgeries, specialized doctors, and research to help cure children in need, regardless of whether or not they have medical insurance. Medical bills can be quite expensive, especially during the current economic downturn, and therefore many families do not have the funds to pay for their children to get the proper medical care that they need.
In conjunction with helping patients in need, we believe we also should take some time to think of many healthcare workers dedicated to keeping us healthy and doing all they can to help us guide us through these uncharted waters. This process of having to constantly adapt to new protocols, help reassure the public, and have a constant flow of patients can be very mentally and emotionally exhausting, can often lead to burnout. Because of this, we have decided to show them our appreciation and support by writing them letters of encouragement. If you are interested in helping, please send us an email at philiaunited@gmail.com with your letter, and we'll ensure it gets delivered to our healthcare workers.
And after hearing all this, you might feel a little bit overwhelmed, but there are so many ways to continue to help. If you're interested in hearing more about our project, accessing the informational links, or seeing the different fundraisers you can donate to, please check out our website and give us a follow on Instagram at Philia_United.
We would love to give you a warm thank you to all our viewers and remind you to stay healthy and keep a smile on your face. This is Evan Alexandra signing off till next time.